Hello CMS students, paper number 8, cost accounting, methods of costing. So methods of costing we have discussed in this particular video, that is topic number 5.3, contract costing. So contract costing. So in this video I will discuss practical illustrations, all institute practical illustrations with answers. So no further delay, let's jump into the topic. So first problem number 11 we have discussed, that is, so all questions refer to the institute material. Please go through that and follow this video, it will be benefit for you. So a firm of builders, so number 11 we discuss here, cost accounting, methods of costing, contract costing, practical illustrations. Number 11, problem number, illustration number 11 we discuss. A firm of builders carrying out a large contracts kept in contract ledger. I will show you through the institute material, it will be more helpful for you. We see here illustration number 11. So a firm of builders carrying out a large contracts kept in contract ledger, separate accounts for each contract on 30th June 2017. The following were shown as being the expenditure in connection with the contract number 551. We need to show the expenditure in connection with the contract. So I repeat the paragraph again. A firm of builders carrying out a large contracts kept in contract ledger, separate accounts for each contract on 30th June 2017. The following were shown as being the expenditure in connection with the contract number 555. So let's begin the solutions. So particulars is given. So we see here particulars. So materials purchased. So materials purchased is 1,16,126, and materials issued from stores is 19,570. Plant which has been issued on other contracts, that is 25,046. Next, additional plant 7,220, wages 1,47,268, and directive expenses is 4,052. The proportionate establishment expenses is 17,440. The contract, next up below the paragraph here, small paragraph, the contract which had commenced on 1st February 2017 was rupees 6 lakhs, and the amount certified by architect. So amount is certified by architect after deduction of rupees. So after deduction of 20% rentage money, 20% of rentage money was rupees 2,41,600. The work being certified on 30th June 2017. So the amount is contract price was rupees 6 lakhs, but and amount is certified by architect. The contract has been commenced 1st February 2017 for 6 lakhs. So this is the contract price by architecture certified. 6 lakhs amount certified by architect after 20% is rentation money. So what is the rentation money? So refer to this theory. So not discussed here. Was 2,41,600 the being work certified. So rentation money was being certified on 31st June 2017. The materials on site was material on site, that is closing materials 19,716. The contract plant was also kept, in which the depreciation was dealt with the monthly amount in respect of aspect of that account is 2260. Prepare contract account showing the profit on the contract, showing the profit on the contract. So you need to contract account here or debit credit particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees, particulars rupees. Particulars amount rupees. So that's why I have my handwriting rules here. So we see here practical illustrations. That's a practice here. So what is the first materials purchase? So materials purchase. So materials purchase. To material issued from stores. Materials issued from stores. So material issued from stores. Next we see here plant which has been used for other contracts. So not relevant in this contract. This is used for on other contracts. So a contract, this plant was used in other contract. This is not relevant here. So additional plant. So additional plant is 7,220. 220. So additional plant was 220. This is not relevant here because it will be posted into another contract. So additional plant was purchased, so this will be not posted here. So next wages. So wages accounts 1,41,7,268. So in institute material it will be zigzag. So need to procedure in step by ways for understanding your purpose. Next, proposition establishment direct expenses. So expenses, direct expenses here. Next, proportionate establishment expenses. So proportionate established expenses. And finally we have depreciation at the end of the paragraph here. Below paragraph, a contract plant ledger were also kept and depreciation was dealt with amount in respect of 2020. Depreciation will be posted here 2260. Prepare contract account showing the profit. So we need to prepare. Now so far we prepared a contract account. So follow this method, it will be understand you. In institute material all amount will be zigzag. Prepare contract account showing the profit and loss. So this will be material purchased here. So we discussed illustration number 11 so far. So please understand. Refer to any paragraph, refer to this institute material. So materials purchase, material issued from stores issued to 19,570. So depreciation, you have depreciation. So wages. So direct expenses, 4,052 to 4,052. Proportionate establishment. Proportionate establishment expenses is 17,440, and then we need to find out profit and loss account and reserve account. And in the back side by work in progress. So contract certified is 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. So we have rentation money 2 lakhs 41,000. So remaining 80% we calculate on rentation money. We get work certified. So 2 lakhs 41,600 divided by 80%. So 80% we got 3 lakhs 20,000. So it will be work certified. So remaining last materials on site is 19,000. So material stock account, that is 19,716. It will be posted here on the credit side. So now we will find out total profit and loss also. Whenever profit and loss account, add it. So total we have 3,02,000 plus 19,716 plus. So total we have 3,21,716. So we have added in the debit side 126 plus 19,570 plus 22,060 plus. Whenever we calculate profit and loss account reserve, first we calculate both sides on the contract account. After that, we subtracted from debit side and credit side. We get some figure is cut, and then we subtracted from profit and loss account 2/3 and 4/3. So it will be depends upon contract price. I will discuss later. 216 plus 1,41,7,268 plus 4052, that is 4102, that is direct expenses, and proportionate establishment expenses is plus 17440. So total we got 3,67,516. So now we will subtract it minus. So we got on the debit side we got 3,67,116, and then subtracted from debit side 3,21,716. So total we got 15,000. So 15,000 is the outstanding figure. So we need to distribute it either profit and loss account to profit and loss account and reserve to maintain reserve for the future contract, for the future uncertainty. So now we will calculate separate from reserve. So we deducted contract price given percentage calculation. So paragraph here we see here. So 1/3 or 2/3 in case of cash received divided by work certified. So cash received divided by or work certified divided by estimation contract which are almost constant. So work certified divided by contract price. That is contract price is here 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs is the contract price. So work architect certified by 6 lakhs. Architect certified by 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs. So when profit and loss account is calculated, is based on for the purpose of estimated profit is calculated work certified divided by contract price. So work 6 lakhs is the work certified by architect divided by work certified we got 3,02,000. So we got more than 1.9. So that means 2/3 we calculated. So 2/3 we will calculate it here. So more than so cash received is rent and entertainment 2,41,600 divided by 302,000. That is 0.8. That is more than 50%. So more than 50%. So remember the contract which have reasonable advanced. So you see study here contracts which have reasonably advanced. In this case the profit to be transferred to the profit and loss account out of notional profit is made. This is the 15,000 is the notional profit. So 15,000 is the notional profit. We are deducted from both sides, from the credit side and debit side. After subtracting we got 15,000 here. So out of the degree of completion we need to complete. If the degree of completion contract is less than equal 1/4, no portion of notional profit shall be transferred to the profit and loss account. The entire amount would be kept as reserve. So entire amount should be kept as reserve. If the degree of completion of work is less than or greater than less than the 1/3 will be notional profit. So you see here more than 1/1 of the persons. If the degree of completion of is more than equal to 1/2 or 2/3, the notional profit shall be transferred to the profit and remaining out of the kept to the reserve. So the profit arrived in the above manner shall be further be reduced in the ratio of cash reserve to the work certified. So cash reserve received by will show you work certified by contract price 3,20,000. So estimated profit here. So 0.8, that means into 100. So more than 100%, 50%. So more than 50%. So more than 50%. So that's why we calculated here. So more than we calculated here 2/3. So 2/3 is the percent. So we all other than we get 80% also. 15,000 divided by 18% into 4 divided by 5. So 2 by 83%, that is 2 by 3. So we calculated here 15,000 into 0.8% into 4 divided by 5. Sorry, 15,000 divided by into 2 by 3. It more than 50%. So more than 50%. We got 2 by 3 into 4 divided by 5. So we got 8,000. So remaining balance will be kept as a business. So reserve account is 15,000. So reserve account is 15,000. So after completion of profit is 15,000. So total we calculate already here 306,716 plus 'So after reserve account is 15,000. So 15,000 is the reserve account. I hope you will understand. So contract number illustration number 2, a contract